Did you hear that sound just now?
What was that? There it is again.
What is that? Oh my gosh, Captain Paranoid. We must
investigate.
Let's see if we can find the source of that sound out here.
But that means going outside.
It's mighty windy today, isn't it?
Why is there so much wind?
I think it's just a little too windy. Don't you think so, Captain Paranoid?
I think birds are doing this.
I've looked all around. I'm looking still to see if I can find the source of that sound.
It's birds.
But I've had no luck. What about you? Anything?
You did it! Don't you lie to me. You didn't. You're glad you did it.
Captain Paranoid, what is this bird doing?
No.
What is this bird doing? What is it doing? And what is this one doing?
Really, nigga?
No.
These birds. These birds.
Space birds.
Bruh.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Bruh.
Captain Paranoid here. Just a reminder, do not try to confront villains or birds on your own. Leave the superhero work to real superheroes. So call a real superhero or something. Bye.